Hi, I'm really happy to see you here. In this lecture, let me try to introduce you to the structure of this course. This is a 100% practical JSON course which not only introduces you to JSON but also makes you confident in developing web applications on your own using real-world APIs. So the course is structured like this. In the first section, you will be introduced to JSON. That is, you will become familiar with what JSON is, why it got the name JSON, and why it became so popular. We will also compare JSON and XML, both being popular data interchange formats. We will also see what is the difference between JSON and JavaScript object literal. By the end of the first section, you will be able to test your understanding by completing a quiz. In the second section, JSON syntax and data types, you will be familiar with the JSON syntax rules. You will also learn different data types that you can use in JSON data. They are strings, numbers, boolean, null, arrays and objects. At the end of this section, you will be doing a practice to identify different data types in real-world JSON data. You will also create some simple JSON data as well as complex JSON data in this section. This section also includes a quiz to check your understanding. In the third section, you will see how easy it is to use JSON with JavaScript. JSON is a subset of JavaScript and you just need to know two methods, that is JSON.parse and JSON.stringify, to deal with JSON with JavaScript. In this section, you will know how to fetch the required piece of information from a real-world JSON data, and you will understand the difference between dot notation and bracket notation. You will also learn how to collect a JSON file from server using XML HTTP request. This section also includes a quiz to validate your JSON knowledge. The fourth section, that is JSON and APIs, is the most important section because JSON becomes useful only when you can use it with some APIs. So in this section, you will learn how to contact an API and get the required JSON response using AJAX techniques. We will see how to contact the API either using GET method or using POST method, and also making an asynchronous or synchronous request using AJAX techniques. We will also see how to pass JSON data as an input to an API. In the next section, you will learn how to use JSON with other programming languages. As of now, it includes only JSON with PHP, but this section will be updated frequently. You will see how to use JSON_encode and JSON_decode methods to convert PHP arrays to JSON and vice versa. The last section gives you the confidence to develop your own applications making use of real-world APIs. We have two applications now. The first one is currency conversion, which uses a real-world API to convert between currencies. In the second application, that is BMI calculator, we are contacting a simple local API, and you also learn how to develop a simple API, that is a REST API, using PHP. So this is how the course is structured, and please proceed to get to know JSON in detail. Thank you.